friends, so another house update. It is, sorry about the bad lighting. I don't know. It is what it is, right? So good news and not so good news. Right. So we are just 2 days before closing. I am actually on my lunch break, and I have ran over to the bank to get a certified. I think they called it a certified check. I think it's the same thing as a cashier's check. But anyway, a certified check for closing. We got the information from the title company on the exact price of. We knew the price of the house, but we had to pay for closing costs. So that is exciting. So we're really excited about that. The not so great news, we have been calling like crazy to get time estimates and price estimates for the building project itself. So I think I told you in another video that the house that we are building is going to be a metal building. So basically, like if you've seen like the Barndominiums, the shop house type things, right? It's basically a metal building that you have turned into a house, which is really cost effective and really nice. And now you will want to check with your local building codes and everything. Where we're building it, it is fine. There's no restrictions on this type of building. So if you're planning on building that, you need to check first and foremost with your local building codes. So that is the idea. And the idea was that we would pay someone to come in and do the concrete work and put up the building. Now, a lot of these companies do both. Like they do both at the same time. So that's really good, or the next day or something like that, right? So that's really great. But the problem we're kind of running into is we have a time frame of we really want this project done by next winter. It is winter now, and the idea is that the quicker we could get this up in the spring, then we would have the spring, the summer, and the fall to work on it. And because Jacob and I are doing all of the interior work ourselves, and we work full time, that is going to take some time, and so we want as much time as possible. So the hiccup that we have a little bit in is that it is, these videos also are about 3 weeks, maybe a little bit more out. So we're filming now. It is in February, and this won't be uploaded until close to the end of March. And we did that for a couple reasons, just so we have time to edit things and pieces together and things like that, but also because we do know that there is going to be some downtime, a few weeks in the middle that nothing really is happening, is what we assume. And so by delaying the videos to start, we can upload a video for you guys so you can follow our journey without having to deal with a few weeks in the middle. That's our hope anyway. It's our plan. There's a car alarm going off, so you might be able to hear that. The issue is that we called all of these places, and the quickest they could do it was one place said June. One place said August. So that's disheartening. We had really hoped that we could start April. I mean, I knew that was pushing it. I knew that there wouldn't be a lot of really quick things like that. But we thought, by the time we got the financing, that's another thing, is that the only thing we're financing of this project is the outside building, just so that we can get it up quickly. We're going to finance the concrete and the outside structure. Then Jacob and I will cash flow everything else inside, because the ultimate goal is to downsize and get out of debt. So that is, that is the goal. So we have a couple other options. One of the options is that we do this ourselves. We have built a metal building before. I say it was Jacob and his dad that, you guys know, if you've watched my channel for very long, his dad passed away last year. So just doing this project without him and just doing this project, it all seems like a big undertaking, right? But so that is an option. It is an option that we will put the building up ourselves. And so Jacob actually is meeting with a guy today at 4:30 to go over concrete, to get an estimate for leveling the ground. It's pretty close to level, but you've seen my previous video that does need a little bit of groundwork, and putting in the concrete. And then basically we would do it ourselves. We would put up the middle building ourselves. So basically that's where we are today. Is a lot of things happening this week. Again, we have closing on, it's Wednesday, we have closing on Friday. Jacob's meeting with the contractor for the not the carpet, the concrete. We're a lot of ways for carpet, right? Today, and just really trying to hammer out some of these decisions. If you guys do this project, the one thing that I'm learning, at least hindsight may be different, right, when I get all this done, is that there's a lot of big decisions to make up front. Like, I think a lot of the other decisions will be smaller. They won't be as complicated and things, but like getting this, I really think this is going to be the hardest part. I may say no, it wasn't the hardest part looking back, but we'll see. Right now it seems hard. Still haven't narrowed down an exact floor plan. We believe we have the dimensions. I've rambled enough, but that is just an update of where we are. Getting the check for the closing, getting everything lined out, making some decisions, and still a lot of unknowns, but we're moving forward. So I'll let you know how it goes. Hey friends, so guess what day it is? It's closing day. We're excited. Are we excited? We're tired. My brother and my dad showed up late last night, and so we were up really late. And so we're like, ugh. But it's actually made time go fast because I was pretty excited yesterday and time was going slow. So we're excited we get to close. Oh my goodness, yeah. So that's what we're doing today. It is done. It's ours. We got all of our thing. And oh, you have to check out these cookies. The seller, which she's also the real estate agent, he brought us these. So I'll show you. Oh, can you see with the shadow? Oh my God, aren't these not the cutest things ever? Oh, I love them.
What are my rates right now? Yeah.
What'd you say about the door?
It's adorable.